your PC running slow, getting low memory errors, games lagging, browser freezing? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to increase RAM on your PC or laptop without buying new one. Yes, how to increase virtual memory in Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. Let's fix your slow PC right now. First, understand one thing: you can't increase physical RAM without installing new hardware. But Windows has something called virtual memory, also known as paging file. Virtual memory uses a part of your hard drive or SSD as extra backup RAM. When your real RAM becomes full, Windows temporarily moves data to this virtual memory so that it helps prevent crashes and lags. Before increasing virtual memory, check how much RAM you have. For that, click on the Start menu and type here System Information. Click on it and you will see all the information of your PC are appear here, and from here you can see your installed RAM are showing up here. In this case I have 4 GB of RAM, so let's get started. For increase the RAM on your system, click on the Start menu and type here Adjust the Appearance. Then you can find these settings, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. Then you will find this window, Performance Options window. Click on this Options Advanced. Click on it. Then you can see here Virtual Memory. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. In these options, you have to click on that change. Click on it and you will find a new window named Virtual Memory. So uncheck these options. Automatically manage paging file size for all drivers and select from here the C drive and click here Custom Size. Check these options. Custom Size. Here is the initial size and this one is maximum size. You have to enter the exact value on here. It will show the available space on your C drive that you will use for your virtual memory. Now you have to input the right value. So how you will calculate the correct value for your systems? Let's see it. For that, I'm opening here a quick calculator from here. So here is my calculator. Then first you have to convert your RAM size into MB and have to multiply it by 1.5 for the initial size. So let's do it. Here is my RAM size is 4 GB. So first I have to convert it into MB. So 4 into 1024. Then I have to multiply it by 1.5 for my initial size. Here is my initial size is 6144. And if you have a 2 GB of RAM, then first convert it into MB. So 2 into 1024 and multiplied it by 1.5. Then here 3072, it will be your initial size. And if you have 8 GB RAM, then as the same before, click 8 into 1024. Then here 8192, it's multiplied it by 1.5 for your initial size. Then 12288, it will be your initial size. As the same, if you have 16 GB, to apply the same formula for your RAM. So first calculate the right value for your initial RAM. Then you have to input a right value for your maximum RAM. For the maximum size, in the same way, first you have to convert your RAM into MB. Then you have to multiply it by 3. So if you have a 2 GB RAM, then first convert it into MB. There 2 into 1024 equals to 2048 and multiplied it by 3. 6144. It will be your maximum value if you have a 2 GB RAM. In the same way, if you have a 4 GB RAM, then 4 into 1024, then it will convert it into MB 4096 and multiplied it by 3 for the maximum size 12288. If you have a 4 GB RAM, then you have 12288. This will be your maximum size. And if you have 8 GB RAM, then same 8 into 1024, it will convert it into MB 8192, then multiplied it by 3. Then it will be converted into your maximum size and input this value on the section's maximum size. After input the correct value, you have to set this value for your virtual memory. For that, click on this button set, click on it and click on it OK, and it will say the changes you have made requires you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So this change will affect you after restart your computer. Click on it OK, then click apply and then click OK and restart your computer. Always set virtual memory on SSD if available. Do not set extremely high values. It will crash your systems and make bad block on your drives. Restart PC after changes. This improves stability, not gaming performance dramatically. For real performance boost, upgrade physical RAM. Want even better performance? Also try disable startup programs, clean temporary files, use Windows Performance Mode, upgrade to SSD if still using HDD. Already I have discussed about these topics on my channel, so you can check my playlist and learn how to increase your PC performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment your RAM size below and subscribe to Infotrix for more powerful Windows tips and fixes. See you in the next video.